to solve one more question, EPSO exam style question. Let's start. We have a number of companies, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the total production of the companies, as the question says here. So the total production is 40, for example. The production is in hundreds, thousands. Okay, so production is in hundred thousands, and we have two models, I1 and I2, are the two different models of the items. So the question is, what's the total number of I2 items which remained unsold in company D in 2019 and 2020 together? So take a look at this. For example, let's see the company D. Okay, so you have the company D here, and the total production is 40 units, 40 times 100,000 items, and you have the ratio 3 to 5 for models I1 and I2, and this is the percentage of the total production sold, that's 72%, and here we have the ratio of items I1 and I2 sold, so that's 5 to 4. We have actually the same table here, a very similar table for 2020. Since the question has to do with total number of items, I2 items, that remained unsold in company D, 2019 and 2020, let's start with company D. Okay, so this company here produced I2 items. How can I find the number of items, I2 items produced? First of all, I have 40 units in total production, and the number of I2 items, since the ratio is 3 to 5, is 5 to 8, so it's 5/8 of the total number produced. Because the total number produced is 40, I have 40 times 5 divided by 8, and this is 25 units in total produced in company D in 2019. So how many sold items I2 sold? From the production, I have to see what part of the production is sold. You see, the part of the production sold is 72%, so I have to multiply by 72%, and then look here, the items I2 are in the ratio I1 to I2, 5 to 4, so it's 4 to 9 the items I2 to the total items. So I have to multiply here by 4 over 9, and this is 12.8 units. Because he asks for the unsold, if you see the question here, that remained unsold, so unsold in 2019 is the total number produced minus the number sold. So this is 12.2. Okay, now we have to do exactly the same thing in 2020. So I2 items produced 2020 is the total produced, that's 50, times 3 over 5, because I2 items here is 2 to 3, I1 to I2. Okay, so you can see that here, I1 to I2 is 2 to 3. So I1 over I1 plus I2 is 2 to 5. Because I want I2, I will say that I2 over I1 is 3 to 2, and so I2 over I1 plus I2 equals 3 over 3 plus 2, 5. That's what I'm using here, right? So 50 times 3 over 5 is 30. This is the items produced, but I want the items sold, so I have it here. The items sold is 48% of the total items produced. So sold is 50 times 48 over 100 times what? I have here again I1 to I2, 5 to 3. So it's 3 out of 8. Total 5 plus 3 is 8. So I multiply here by 3 over 8, and this is 9. So the I2 items unsold in 2020 is 30. The total produced I2 minus the items sold, minus 9, so that's 21. So the total number of I2 items that remained unsold is the ones that remained unsold in 2019, so 12.2, plus the other one that remained unsold in 2020, and that's plus 21, and that's 33.2 hundred thousandths, and this is the correct answer. I hope you enjoyed the question. If you have any questions, you can see that on the website. You can see my email, our email, and you can send that and ask for anything that you have, any queries. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.